Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove all likes on Instagram at once. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your particular Instagram account. Then go to this profile icon at the bottom right. Then go to three horizontal line on top right corner. Simply scroll down till you find this particular option called your activity. Then go ahead, go to this section of likes in the interaction section. Then you will find all of the posts that you have liked. So if you want to simply unlike them all at the once, tap on this option of select. We're gonna select per se this is the one, and I'm gonna select some of the other posts as well, and then I'm going to tap on unlike. I'm going to tap on unlike, and now I have unliked them post, and it will simply refresh. Now you won't be able to find those posts over here because you have simply unliked them, and that is basically it. So if you want to unlike all of the posts at once, dislike all of the posts at once, tap on select as many as you want likewise, and then tap on unlike and tap on unlike again for the reconfirmation, and you're good to go. That's how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.